How to adjust the volume on Android without buttons. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you the easy way to adjust the volume on Android without buttons. Whether your buttons are damaged or you prefer a touchscreen approach, adjusting the volume without using the physical buttons on your Android device is absolutely possible. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Navigate to the home screen of your Android device. Now launch settings on your device. On the settings panel, scroll down, open sound and vibration, and you will see the option for media volumes, ringtone volumes, notifications volume, and the alarm volume. With the help of the sliders given on this each volumes, you can easily adjust the volume without using any kind of physical volume buttons. So that's it. That's how we easily adjust the volume on Android without buttons. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.